My name is Rugved Bhowad. I had opted for IELTS coaching from Andheri branch, Y-Axis.
All right. So, how was your experience before for preparing for IELTS before you joined Y-Axis and after you joined Y-Axis?
Firstly, I was searching for a good coaching class on on a on the web, but on out of the top three, on the top three of the list, Y-Axis was there. So I opted Y-Axis and joined it for the IELTS coaching. And
So, have you
after
given your IELTS exam?
no,
Sorry. Yeah.
I'm just opting it for in the month of September, the first week of September. So I'll
All
probably book
right.
the dates then. So
So, how's been your experience so far with Y-Axis?
yeah, it was actually great, and one actually it was too great because our coach, our tutor, Mrs. Nina Gate, she was quite thorough with her sessions with us, and the home assignment she provided us and the feedback she gave after we completed home assignments, it was quite quite good. So we were able to practice on our weaknesses, as well as we were um, you know being provided with all the necessary requirements for the IELTS examination.
All right. Would you recommend Y-Access to any of your friends and family who are looking for IELTS coaching?
Yes, probably it is the best recommended, because the LMS provided by the Y-Axis is the most helpful for the students, and I found it very helpful because it has a vast syllabus and various tests are available, so that we know where we stand and where we need to go and to achieve the band of 9 or so.
All right. So that's all from our end. Is there anything else you would like to add?
No, but I most recommend it because it provides a great, platform for the coaching, and the sessions were quite extensive.